If you're getting rid of a car in New York, one of the most important steps is turning in your license plates. You'll need to do this before cancelling your insurance. Otherwise, the DMV can suspend both your registration and your driver's license. First, make sure your address is up to date. The DMV will mail you a plate surrender receipt called Form FS6T and sometimes a refund check if you qualify. These will go to the address listed on your registration, so update it with both the DMV and the post office if you've moved. The same goes for business registrations. Keep the mailing address current so your receipt gets to you without delays. Next, remove your plates from the vehicle. Take off the stickers, frames and screws since the DMV won't accept plates with anything still attached. Also, remove and destroy your registration and inspection stickers from the windshield. Don't hand your plates to anyone else unless that person is returning them on your behalf. Now, you'll need to complete the plate surrender application, also called Form PD7. You must fill out one application for each set of plates you're turning in. Once the form is ready, you have two options. You can mail your plates and the PD7 to the DMV office in Albany, or you can bring them in person to a DMV location. If you mail them, the postmark date will be considered the date you surrendered your plates, and it usually takes about 3 weeks to get your receipt in the mail. If you go in person, county motor vehicle offices may charge a $1 processing fee, but you'll receive your FS6T receipt right away. If someone else is dropping off the plates for you, be sure they bring back the receipt for your records.